experiment on Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT to see like which one is the best AI to create a landing page or maybe get inspiration to build a landing page. I have this prompt already written up, like create a landing page for a page builder SaaS product. This should be a creative and uncommon layout and styles. Make sure it is a unique design, just a simple prompt. And I'm gonna start with Gemini and I'm gonna head over to Claude and then ChatGPT. Let's see which one does the best.
A few moments later.
Looks like Claude is done. ChatGPT is also done. Let's quick preview. Whoa.
What?
I'm not sure what. Let's start with Claude. There is a nice cursor animation that there's some background light that's following my cursor. Really nice design, but kind of look like AI generated, but I kind of like the light following my cursor. Looks like it did not created canvas. Okay, let me with canvas so that I can preview the code.
One eternity later.
Now it's creating it in canvas. Let me try to modify it on the code. I'm really disappointed on ChatGPT. I'm gonna copy this, paste it. Let's see if it produce something else. And looks like Gemini is almost done. Just writing some JavaScript.
Deploying flashbang.
Oh, okay. I think it's a carousel maybe. I can't slice it. I really like the design of Gemini. I'm disappointed on ChatGPT, even though I don't use ChatGPT. I know it sucks at doing something like this. Okay, I'm going to ask Gemini to add more context, more content to the website and maybe add more design. So let's see. All right, that looks good, but looks like it failed adding more sections. So I'm just clicked continue to generate more of the code. Okay, looks like ChatGPT is going somewhere, but
Almost there.
broken. I'm going to try Figma AI also. So same prompt. I think I can close ChatGPT because to be honest, it sucks. So I'm just gonna close it and let's see Claude design. This is retro type design. I think most probably it took the design inspiration from my previous designs. So maybe it took the inspiration from the AI memory that I've been using. So maybe that's a thing, but I'm not sure. But it's really nice. It looks unique, I guess.
I mean, it's all right. Like,
Okay, let's see if Gemini has done. This is really cool. I'm gonna ask Claude to do one more. Do another way. This is kind of generic design. Think out of the box. I'm just asking AI memory to think out of the box, even though. All right, Figma has done something. Yeah, I mean, again, it looks really AI generated. So I'm just going to ask this. Okay, looks like I'm out of free AI credits until the refresh tomorrow. I think this is the end for Figma AI. So I think this is really nice, but again, it looks generic. This is not something I would use. Like it looks AI generated. So yeah, whatever. So I'm going to close Figma and let's see. Okay, looks like it is done. I'm gonna preview it on browser. This is really nice. Kind of like this animation.
Oh my god!
Wow. So, oh, okay. Failed again. Let me click continue. So I think I already know the answer, like which AI model is best for doing stuff like this. Let me know yours, like which one do you think is great? I'm waiting for Claude to finish this and I'm going to end this. So I think you already know the answer. Like this is the first initial draft from Gemini and it looks really good. This is something I would use in a production web page or landing page. Gemini is going somewhere.
So in tasting, what we do is take a small amount right off the top. It doesn't take much. That's the warmest part right here. I'm going to invert the spoon. Cover all 9,000 taste bud. Aerate it. Warm it up. Driving up that top note, that cream, pure vanilla, sweeteners. That's a 10.
ChatGPT really sucks. Oh, okay. This is not out of the box. I mean,
Here it comes.
okay, I'm also maxed my credit limit. Kind of look, I mean, it looks matrixy. Yeah, this is out of the box, just like I asked. Wow. So let me know your thought. What do you think?
I got